Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into 5SCAPE, a promising altcoin that's aiming to revolutionize the VR gaming and metaverse space. In this video, I'll analyze 5SCAPE based on 6 key criteria: technology, team and development, market support and liquidity, future application and adoption, tokenomics and supply model, and community and then I'll wrap up with some investment suggestions and strategies for 2025. Let's get started. Please like and subscribe before start. 1. Technology scalability and FEs. 5SCAPE is built on Ethereum and leverages layer 2 solutions, specifically the Scale network, to achieve high transaction throughput and low gas fees. This makes it well suited for handling the rapid microtransactions common in immersive VR gaming. Security and consensus. The project has undergone comprehensive smart contract audits by reputable firms like Coinsult, ensuring that vulnerabilities are minimized and user funds are secure. With Ethereum's proof-of-stake consensus underlying the network, 5SCAPE benefits from a secure and energy-efficient system. Innovation. What sets 5SCAPE apart is its unique integration of VR gaming with blockchain technology. Beyond the standard token functionality, the ecosystem provides immersive VR experiences using proprietary hardware like the VR Ultra headset and SwiftScape VR chair, creating a single token economy that drives in-game rewards and utility. Score: 87 1000 seconds. Team and development founders and expertise. The leadership team is transparent and experienced, featuring CEO Anuj Kumar, CTO Rakesh Yadav, Director of VR Arivrat G, and Marketing Lead Sumit Kumar. Their backgrounds in tech startups, blockchain, and VR development lend credibility to the project. Track record and activity. There's evidence of strong roadmap progress, including beta releases of their flagship VR games and regular updates on development milestones. Their GitHub activity and published white papers indicate an active, committed team. Score: 81,000 thirds. Market support and liquidity. Exchange listings and trading volume. 5SCAPE is gearing up for listings on top-tier platforms. While not yet on giants like Binance or Coinbase, recent buzz on platforms such as BitGet indicates increasing institutional and whale interest. This early-stage liquidity, combined with scheduled exchange listings, suggests promising growth. Market cap and FDV. With an initial market cap starting in the low millions and a total supply of 5.21 billion tokens, there's ample room for expansion, but also a need to monitor dilution risks as the fully diluted valuation comes into play. Score: 75 1000 forts. Future application and adoption. Real-world use cases and partnerships. 5SCAPE is more than just a token, it's an entire ecosystem designed to deliver VR gaming, live events, and educational content. Strategic partnerships with gaming studios and hardware integrations are planned to further expand its reach. Adoption and developer ecosystem. The platform already boasts a growing community with over 100,000 users and a dedicated developer center that encourages third-party VR content creation, ensuring ongoing innovation and integration. Score: 85 1000 fifths. Tokenomics and supply model. Supply, distribution and incentives. The total supply is fixed at 5.21 billion tokens, with a structured vesting schedule that includes allocations for the team, advisors, marketing, community, and liquidity. The model incorporates staking rewards and play-to-earn mechanics, incentivizing long-term holding. Inflation or deflation mechanisms. While the tokenomics appear balanced and designed to drive scarcity over time, investors should be mindful of the heavy presale allocation. Overall, the design is robust, ensuring that both gamers and developers benefit from the ecosystem's growth. Score: 81,000 sixths. Community and regulatory risks. Community strength and engagement. 5SCAPE has cultivated an active and passionate community across social media, forums, and Discord channels. Their transparent communication and regular updates are a big plus in today's crowded crypto market. Regulatory and decentralization considerations. While regulatory risk is always a factor in crypto investments, 5SCAPE appears proactive in its compliance efforts, including KYC processes for team members and investors. However, like many emerging projects, there's a degree of centralization in early stages that will need to be monitored as the network evolves. Score: 78100 investment suggestions and strategies for 2025. Given the comprehensive analysis above, here's what I recommend for those looking to invest in 5SCAPE in 2025. Diversify and allocate wisely. Consider 5SCAPE as part of a diversified portfolio. Its strong technology and innovative approach to VR gaming present compelling upside. But as with any altcoin, risk management is crucial. Buy early in pre-sale. If you have the appetite for risk, early-stage investment, particularly during pre-sale, could yield significant gains, especially before major exchange listings drive up liquidity. Monitor development and market trends. Keep an eye on roadmap milestones and community engagement. Changes in market support and any regulatory updates are key indicators to watch. Long-term hold strategy. Given its robust ecosystem and real-world applications, a long-term hold could be advantageous. However, consider setting periodic review points to reassess risk in the fast-evolving crypto space. Stay informed. With the increasing adoption of VR and metaverse technologies, staying updated with project developments and market sentiment will be essential to maximize returns while mitigating risks. Final scores summary: technology, 87,100 team and development, 80,100 market support and liquidity, 75,100 future application and adoption, 85,100 tokenomics and supply model, 81,100 community and regulatory risks, 78,100 in summary. 5SCAPE is an innovative project with solid technological foundations and a promising vision for the future of VR gaming and the metaverse. While there are some market and regulatory risks to keep an eye on, its unique value proposition and active community make it a coin worth watching and possibly investing in as we move into 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy investing and see you in the next video.